The imperative to protect increasingly digitized businesses, governments, schools, Internet of Things devices, and consumers from cybercrime will propel global spending on cybersecurity products and services to $1 trillion annually by 2031, according to the Cybersecurity Market Report from Cybersecurity Ventures and Evolution Equity Partners. Global spending on cybersecurity products and services is expected to reach $522 billion annually in 2026, up from $260 billion in 2021. Myriad factors are contributing to this growth, but one in particular is making a bigger impact than others. McKinsey reports that the rapid advancement of AI and generative AI is fundamentally transforming the cybersecurity landscape. According to a recent study on the technology's significance, the cybersecurity total addressable market, or TAM, as of 2025 is $2 trillion. Partner Jeffrey Casso elaborated on these findings.
When we sought out to size the total addressable market opportunity in cybersecurity, the thesis that we were testing was that there's a mismatch today in the capabilities that are available on the market and what the buyers truly need. And in sizing this opportunity, which accounts for existing technologies and vendor solutions across products and services, we found that there was only 10% penetration of the total market today in terms of spend over the addressable opportunity. And that mismatch illustrates that the buyers and the vendors are somehow talking past each other. And that's the impact of AI, is bringing down the size of that TAM because it enables the buyer to more readily find value from tools that fill these gaps that otherwise would exist in their portfolio.
Richard Seawald, founder and managing partner at Evolution Equity Partners, expanded on the emerging role of advanced machine learning and AI.
The integration of large language models into organizations creates vulnerabilities that weren't in place just a few years ago. But what it also does is skew the asymmetries such that attackers using machine learning and AI can deploy attacks faster, cheaper, and in a more effective way than ever. And defense against those types of attacks will require advanced cybersecurity technology to be successful. I think on that, you're going to see companies that are able to consolidate, build, and become the next generation leaders in cybersecurity, underpinning that several $trillion market size that McKinsey speaks about.
The report additionally confirmed that securing AI, now a standalone cyber market segment, is poised to grow as well, going from $122 million today to $255 million in 2027, with a total addressable market of $10 billion to $15 billion. For more on the impact of AI on cybersecurity, visit McKinsey.com. This special production was brought to you by Evolution Equity Partners. Learn more at evolutionequity.com.